How to log in to Genshin Impact. Welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are new or reinstalling the Genshin Impact game, logging into Genshin Impact is pretty easy. First of all, launch open the Genshin Impact application on your device and remember how you previously registered for the account. You need to go ahead and enter your email or username followed by your account's password. If you've previously signed up with Google, Facebook, or Twitter, go ahead and select the same login method on the page. Since I created an account with email option, I'm just gonna have to type in the email or username at the top. On the next field, write down the correct password for your Genshin Impact account. If you don't remember the password, click on the Forgot Password link at the bottom and follow through the password reset process. After filling in your correct credential, click Login, complete the small puzzle that appears in the pop-up, and you'll be able to log into your account. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy by agreeing all these boxes over here and click on Accept. Now, go ahead and select your server, and there you have successfully logged in to Genshin Impact. Tap on the middle of the screen to begin the game, and you are done. So that is how you can easily log into your Genshin Impact account even if you've changed your device or you want to access back to your account and play the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.